Welcome students, subject mathematics standard 8th. Content part 1, chapter number 3, indexes and cube root. Practice set 3.1. Question 1. Express the following numbers in index form. 1. Fifth root of 13. We know fifth root of 13 can be written as 13 raised to 1 upon 5. Now the second one, sixth root of 9 is written as 9 raised to 1 upon 6. 3. Square root of 256. The index form is 256 raised to 1 upon 2. Fourth one, cube root of 17 can be written as 17 raised to 1 upon 3. 5. Eighth root of 100. The index form is hundreds raised to 1 upon 8. And the last one, seventh root of 30 can be written as 30 raised to 1 upon 7 in index form. Now we go through the question 2. Write in the form nth root of a in each of the following numbers. 1. 81 raised to 1 upon 4. Now we will express 18 raised to 1 upon 4 is equal to fourth root of 81. Now the second one, 49 raised to 1 upon 2 is written as square root of 49. Third one, 15 raised to 1 upon 5 is written as fifth root of 15. Can you write the remaining numbers? Now the fourth one, 512 raised to 1 upon 9 is written as ninth root of 512. 5. 100 raised to 1 upon 19. This can be written as 19th root of 100. Sixth one, 6 raised to 1 upon 7 can be written as 7th root of 6. Thank you.